Mr. Mexico.
Wow, whizzing wow. This picture is crazy. I wonder what the birds are doing. There seem to be many northern lapwings and a common shelduck gathering on a small island. This is a crazy sight. There are so many of them. I wonder if the birds are hanging out or if they are in some business meeting. Whatever the reason, it is a cool sighting. Okay, let's play a game. Firstly, I am not going to ask you to count the number of birds, as there are just too many of them. Instead, I will ask you a question, and I will give you 10 seconds. What type of body of water is the island full of birds in? Is it A. River estuary, B. Lagoon, or C. Lake/pond? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up. Well, the answer is C. Lake/pond. Well done if you got that right. Now, you are probably wondering how I discovered this crazy phenomenon. Well, I was viewing birds in a bird viewing hideout, and I suddenly saw all the birds. It looked very crowded and not much room. Some, actually many, birds were even hanging out in the water. I do hope they had a good time. It sure does look like they did. Also, did you see in my last video, which was a YouTube short with over 500 views, at the end, there's a clip of this image as a hint to this video. Did you spot it? If not, don't worry, you can spot it next time. Well, that's all from me. Don't suppose these images could get any crazier. Next time, it might be wildly crazy. Goodbye. Ah ha 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 ha. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more. There is another Wowizing Wild Crazy Bird video coming soon, so be sure to check that one out when it comes. Bye!